you get 3 days of impactful workshops, imam roundtables, keynotes with people like Dr. Bilal Ware, Dr. Jamila Kareem, Habeeb Akande. And let me I gotta talk about him just separately on his own. He wrote a book called A Taste of Honey, which is about sexuality and erotology in Islam. What? Yes. He has another book that is coming out about kunyaza, which is a special sexual technique that is used in traditional African societies. Now, this is a Muslim brother. Habeeb is a Muslim brother. I believe he's British. I don't know where his family is originally from, but let me tell you something. When it comes to talking about sexuality from a Muslim perspective, you can't get no better than Habeeb. Now, if you know me personally, you know I give workshops for sisters. I post stuff, but I always keep it really secretive. I'm doing a session at the Black Muslim Psychology Conference, women only, reclaiming the village auntie, traditional approaches to sexuality from a West African perspective.
Renowned author and activist James Baldwin wrote, "Love takes off the mask that we fear we cannot live without and know that we cannot live within." As Black Muslims in the United States, how does love inform and guide our actions and efforts towards liberation? How do we maintain healthy and loving relationships with one another in the midst of oppression and marginalization? Join us for the 4th Annual Black Muslim Psychology Conference, July 20th through the 22nd, as we bring together community members, religious scholars, and multidisciplinary experts to discuss love and liberation, lessons on sex, intimacy, marriage, and family. We will focus on topics such as intergenerational trauma and community wellness, spirituality, faith and desire, courtship and premarital counseling, step and polygynous families, infertility, sexual health, and much more. Our amazing keynote and feature speakers are Dr. Jamila Kareem, Dr. Bilal Ware, and Habeeb Akande. This 3-day program also includes the Black Muslim Collegiate Forum, Imams Roundtable, BMPC Awards, honoring pioneers, trailblazers, and emerging leaders, on-site Jumu'ah prayer, and vending. While you're here, join us for these exciting events. Inaugural Love and Liberation Ball, a Black Panther Wakanda-inspired Afro-futuristic gala and fundraiser featuring Nadira Pierre, Moses the Comic, Randy Shine, and film screening of Muslima's Guide to Marriage, produced and directed by Amina Bakir Abdul-Jabbar. BMPC 2018 will be held at the beautiful Chubb Hotel and Conference Center in Lafayette Hill, Pennsylvania. This gathering is open to all. People of all faiths and backgrounds are encouraged to attend and participate. Workshop materials as well as breakfast, lunch, and snacks for all 3 days is included in the cost of registration. For more information about the conference, venue, local accommodations, and to purchase a ticket for BMPC 2018, the Love and Liberation Ball, and or film screening, go to blackmuslimpsychology.org. Like us on Facebook and follow Muslim Wellness Foundation and Black Muslim Psychology Conference on Twitter at MWF National and Black Muslim Psych using hashtag BMPC 2018. Register today.